If you've ever opened Tinkercad and wondered how to ground an object properly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ground in Tinkercad the easy way, using the built-in drop command so your object sits perfectly on the workplane. This is super useful if your shape is floating, hovering above the surface, or buried underground and you want it placed exactly where it should be. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Tinkercad tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open your Tinkercad design and find the object you want to ground. This can be any shape, model, or custom design that is not sitting correctly on the floor. If it's floating in the air, that means it needs to be dropped down to the workplane. If it's below the surface, it may need to be brought back up and aligned properly. To ground the object, click once on the shape to select it. You should see the outline and handles appear around it, which tells you the object is active. Once it is selected, simply press the D key on your keyboard. That's the shortcut for the drop command in Tinkercad. As soon as you press D, Tinkercad will instantly snap the object downward until its bottom surface touches the workplane at 0 height. This is the fastest way to ground an object in Tinkercad, and it saves a lot of time compared to manually dragging the shape into position. It also helps make sure your model is aligned correctly before you continue building or preparing it for 3D printing. If you're working with multiple objects, you can repeat this same process on each one individually. Just select the shape, press D, and it will drop to the floor. If needed, you can also reposition the object first, then use the same shortcut to make sure it lands exactly on the surface. Now, if you were looking for grounding in a simulation context, Tinkercad SimLab may use the idea of a fixed base or reference point, but for most users in 3D design, grounding simply means snapping the object to the workplane. So if your goal is to get a shape sitting flat on the floor, the D shortcut is the exact tool you need. Once your object is grounded, take a quick look around the design to make sure everything is sitting where you want it. You can orbit the camera, check the side view, and confirm that the shape is no longer floating or sunk below the surface. A properly grounded object makes your design cleaner, easier to edit, and much more accurate for printing. So to quickly recap, select the object, press D on your keyboard, and Tinkercad will drop it straight onto the workplane. That's the simplest way to ground an object in Tinkercad. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Tinkercad tips, and share this with someone who's just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.